Hey, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. Thanks so much for stopping by to have a look at one of our fantastic products. Today, we are going to be looking at the CEO, which will come in our custom wood grain box. You know that there's going to be an excellent product inside when you see that pattern on your doorstep. Inside, we've got our information card welcoming you to the Manly Bands family. Inside, you'll see things that you already know, one of which you have always known, is how handsome you are. Hopefully you continue to know that. We've got customer service and support on there if you happen to need that. Can't imagine that you would, but there's that, and there's also our social media. Check out those pictures, and if you like what you have on your hand, post some pictures of your own. We'd love to see it. Inside, here we go. The CEO, shiny. This is a 14 karat gold plated tungsten. It's got a nice brushed finish on it with beveled edges. Fits on perfectly like they will every single time, and it's a perfect accent to me, of course, in my perfectly fit jacket and tie. I'm sure you think that I'm probably the president of Manly Bands, the CEO, in fact, but it's just a weird fetish I have. So inside we also have this black silicone band, which is the great accent. You can wear them both at the same time if you like, or one instead of the other. There's no rules here, not with choking neckties. We can do whatever we want. Also, we have some promotional materials inside, one of which being 20% off of Rosie Ray, our sister website for any of you ladies, our lady bosses that are needing rings for your fingers, and other promotional materials as they become available. So, whether you're doing a hostile takeover for a company or running for recreation, which is stupid, try out the CEO at manlybands.com.